Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're having a good day today. Thank you for checking into my channel. Today I'm going to make some chicken strips or chicken nuggets, and I'm gonna do this real quick. Um, I'm washing my chicken with vinegar. I'm just gonna wash it off with some vinegar. If you're not from the islands and you're wondering, wow, what am I going to do to make my food taste real good? I don't have those Caribbean seasoning. You can use Mrs. Dash, and they do have the original flavor. This is garlic and herb. However, they have the one that says original, and Larry's will do the job too. So these are some substitute you can use if you don't have the regular seasoning, the regular Caribbean seasoning. So here's also my olive oil. I will be using olive oil today because I'm not gonna let it fry like real oily. Then I might not need any salt. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing in terms of preparing the meal or the chicken. All right, so this is my Mrs. Dash. And you can do maybe a teaspoon of each. And then based on how you like it, you can add or subtract. That's ginger. This is my chicken seasoning. So I'm kind of turning these over. Then after that, I'm going to rub the seasoning into the chicken. And here's my Lars. And I'm going to add the garlic powder. I'm gonna let this chicken sit and marinate, and in 20 minutes I'll do the frying. I'll make the chicken nuggets. So for all my viewers and subscribers who have kids and sometimes you want to do a quick chicken nuggets and you want to make the real thing from scratch, this is the way you do it. You just season it up and add all your different seasoning that you want, and then you can just fry it. So I'll show you in a minute how we get it to be delicious chicken nuggets. What I've done, I've put the egg whites in this container here, and I put this chicken strips in the egg whites. So I'm just stirring it up a little bit. Then you put the breadcrumbs on the plate, and make sure you allow the chicken to be absorbed in the breadcrumbs. Let it roll over in the breadcrumbs. And it's only about 6 pieces. So now I'm making sure it's absorbed in the breadcrumbs, fully covered. What I'm doing, I'm sticking the fork into the chicken strips or the chicken breast, just to ensure that, well, I just see people do it, but I think it's to make sure the oil seeps through and cook it thoroughly. I'm trying to make use of all the breadcrumbs. And this is very, it's a very easy meal to make, especially if you have kids and you don't want to be giving them fast food all the time from, you know, Chick-fil-A and all that. It's very, very easy to make. Very easy to make. This is the chicken strips being fried. I tasted it and it tastes real delicious. So in 1 minute, I'm gonna take it off the stove and prepare it with the fries that I did in the oven. And this is the fries being done in the oven. Don't pay attention to the oven, because these people, they won't change the oven until it broke. And it's been like this since I came here. Alright, so I'm gonna prepare this meal to be served. This is a finished product of the homemade chicken strips and fries. It is going to be served like this. Now, remember, as I said earlier, if you have small kids who you just want to whip up a quick meal for them, one of the best things to do is to go ahead and try the fried chicken. Think about the seasoning that you saw at the beginning of the video and use those seasoning. It makes the food taste real delicious and tasty. So look at these videos, view, share, like, and don't forget to subscribe.